everyone, it's Lauren from the Tealight Planner Co, and I'm here today to decorate my planner for the week of July 4th. I'm going to be using my American sticker kit. This sticker kit is available in my shop. I really like it. It's like a farmhouse style American sticker kit, and I really like it. So I'm looking forward to decorating my planner in it. I'm going to be using the full kit minus the deco sheet because I don't have one of those printed out for myself, but that's fine. I'm going to be pairing this kit with the journal kit, so there will be plenty of stickers for me. So when I have my full kits, I usually like to start with my washi page, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down my washi strips and do that. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on this week. I don't even know what we're doing for July 4th, to be honest with you. I will find out when we get closer to it. But we don't have any official plans just yet. Alright, and then I'm gonna layer on top of that with the smaller washi strip. I'm filming this a week before July 4th, so I am currently in the process of working on new releases. I have everything designed, which is great. I just now have to get the cut lines made for them, and then I'll be releasing them on Friday. This is the week I'm on right now, so I did my strawberry kit this week, and my new releases come out on the 30th, which when you see this video, that'll be in the past. I'm also having an Independence Day sale. So I'm hoping to release this video on the 3rd, so the sale will still be going on. The sale is running from July 2nd through the 4th. So there's that. I'm going to put this torn paper sticker up here. I really like using my journal kits along with my sticker kits. It really adds to it, in my opinion. I like it. Oh, I need my date dot stickers. I don't have them. So let's go ahead and just do our date covers. I like to do that next. I kind of have a system with how I plan. Alright, I'm going to lay down all the date covers. I think I'm better doing this with my fingers, so I'm going to do that. I've been excited to use this kit, so I'm glad I finally get to lay it down. Alright, now I laid down the date covers. That is set. I really like the way that looks. Now let's see. When I use my journal kits with my full kits, I like to use the torn paper stickers. So I'm going to lay this down over here. I just kind of cover up the calendar because I never use that. Put the house sticker up there. That's cute. Let's put some florals around it. There we go. Yeah, I don't know what the 4th is going to look like for us. I don't even know if my husband has off work, so it might kind of just be a normal day. I really don't know. Which I would like it not to be a normal day. I'd like it to be where my husband's home and we do stuff, but you know what? I just don't know. Okay, and then I'm going to put this here. I always lay these down crooked, and I did. I have so much trouble laying these stickers down for whatever reason. They always end up crooked. It'll just have to be a little crooked. Okay, now time for a full box. What should we put? I think I'm going to put that for July 4th. So, the house, no, the house, I'm not going to put the house there. I'm going to put blueberries. Red little things. I wanted to get some videos up. I haven't been doing my behind the scenes videos. I just haven't been super happy with them. Let me know if you still want to see them. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing them, but I'd be curious to know if you guys like seeing those, like behind the scenes videos, or if you just rather have plan with me's, or I don't know. I'll go ahead and lay down this full box sticker. My weeks typically look the same, so I lay down the stickers kind of with how I plan, but since Tuesday's a holiday, I'm not sure what that day looks like. Put a paint swatch sticker, and then we'll lay down this sticker. That way if we do anything fun, oh, I definitely want that covered up. But yeah, if we do anything fun, I'll write it in this little box. I covered up most of that paint swatch sticker, so that was probably pointless. But at this point, I can't do anything about it. And that's crooked. You guys, I cannot lay things down straight right now. That is frustrating to me. Okay, I know I'm going to have to get some stuff done that day. So let's do little things again. And then put a little checklist. I'll probably have to fill some orders and chores. There's always something to do. If I miss a day on like dishes or something, it's bad. It's like, can't miss one day of doing the chores because it's gonna be way worse the next day. This box sticker, I put these on every morning because I usually write in what I do in the morning, and it's usually working on my computer. So with a cup of coffee, and I usually write in what I'm working on. It's pretty much always business related. Sometimes it's budgeting, paying bills, but that usually doesn't take super long. But right there. Go. And it's gonna go here. Let's try not to lay it down crooked. Then check this box. Do these bowls. Into this house. And then I'm gonna put a scallop header down. I'm thinking on making a sheet of just scallop headers with different colors, color waves. I really like the scallop headers. I think they add a lot to crooked. Maybe I shouldn't talk while doing this because clearly I cannot lay that down straight. Oh well. Then I'm going to do a full box, another glitter header. Okay. Weekend banner sticker. I'm going to put that over the weekend right here. Don't know what's happening this weekend. Alright, I'm going to cut this part off because I want to lay a full box here. Cut the sticker, that's fine. Okay. Let's do another scalloped header, I think. Okay, good, I have 2 more. Use a red one. It'll probably be down crooked. Oh, that's terrible. Okay. Now I kind of play around with my weekends differently because I don't plan a lot on the weekends. So it kind of gives me more freedom to just play around with how I lay down my stickers. I'm gonna pop that rooster right there. Little teapot's gonna go right there. Okay. And then we're gonna put this cute truck right there. Alright, that's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna lay down goals for this week. I just like to have a running goals list. I don't always write on it, but I like having it like it just, if there's things I want to get done that week but not knowing what specific day, I can write it down there. So I like having that. This is gonna go here. I like that. Alright you guys, so this is my spread for the week of July 4th. I think it came out really cute. These stickers are adorable. Very, very festive for the 4th of July. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more from me, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.